Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel, English Basics. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of pronouns. Did you know that learning to use pronouns correctly is a key step in mastering English? We'll make it easy with lots of examples, like he is my friend and she is the teacher. By the end of this video, you'll feel confident using pronouns in your everyday conversations. Let's get started. Repeat after me. He is my father. The man. He is my brother. The boy. She is my mother. The woman. She is my sister. The girl. It is the dog. The pet. It is a book. The object. They are the students. The boys and girls. We are happy. My friends and I. He is the doctor. The man. She is the nurse. The woman. They are the neighbors. The people next door. We are the family. My relatives and I. He is the pilot. The man. She is the captain. The woman. It is the car. The vehicle. They are the players. The team members. He is the singer. The man. We are the winners. My team and I. She is the dancer. The woman. It is the guitar. The instrument. We are excited. My friends and I. They are the performers. The artists. He is the author. The man. She is the illustrator. The woman. It is the painting. The artwork. They are the tourists. The visitors. We are the hosts. My family and I. He is the chef. The man. She is the baker. The woman. It is the recipe. The instructions. He is the firefighter. The man. She is the police officer. The woman. It is the airplane. The vehicle. They are the chefs. The cooks. We are the artists. My friend and I. He is the engineer. The man. She is the architect. The woman. They are the students. The learners. He is the coach. The man. We are the volunteers. My group and I. She is the referee. The woman. It is the ball. The object. They are the players. The team members. We are the supporters. My friends and I. He is the mechanic. The man. She is the driver. The woman. It is the bus. The vehicle. They are the passengers. The people on the bus. We are the travelers. My family and I. Today, we covered how to use pronouns like he, she, it, and they with many easy examples. Remember, practice makes perfect. Keep practicing your pronouns, and soon you'll be using them like a pro. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, English Basics, and share this video with your friends. Leave your questions and comments below. Thanks for watching and see you next time.